Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening the Tangerine app and signing in. Once you're inside, make sure your profile and security are set. Enable two-factor authentication and verify your identity with a photo ID so transfers clear faster. Next, link an external bank account or a debit card for funding. This is required before you move money. Once done, check your contact info and notification settings so you receive confirmations and alerts in real time. Now you'll fund and schedule transfers. Tap Deposit or Interac e-transfer and pick the source account. Make sure you understand transfer limits and any fees. When you set a recurring transfer, enter the amount, frequency, and start date. Confirm the schedule so it won't overlap other payments. Once you confirm, watch the pending transaction list to verify processing. If you need higher limits, contact support to request verification steps or additional documentation. Finish by managing accounts and confirming the transfer completed. You'll monitor balances and set alerts for large moves. If you need to cancel or edit a pending transfer, do it promptly within the app's allowed window so funds aren't withdrawn. If a transfer fails, check linked account numbers, routing info, and ensure there were sufficient funds, then retry. Finally, if problems persist, contact Tangerine support with the transaction ID and a brief description so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.